What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about how to incorporate resistance bands into your body weight only exercises. Now, there's two different reasons why you might want to do this. One is to add more resistance to an exercise, but the other is to assist in an exercise or actually take some resistance off. The first example that we're going to talk about is doing dips. So you can do as many repetitions as you can with your body weight, and once you reach that point where you fatigue and you hit that wall and you want to go ahead and get a few more reps in there, anchor that to the machine, put it under your knee, put it under your foot, and assist with that exercise to help you up. At the bottom of the range of motion, we're stretching the band the most. Where we're the weakest, we have the most help. Now, if we were to do the exact opposite and we were to take the band and use it to make an exercise harder like we would with push-ups, we have the exact same principle. Bands have what's called variable resistance, meaning the more you stretch a band, the harder it gets. And as we push, we're stretching the band more, creating more resistance, but we're also stronger at the top of the range of motion. So now, that strength curve more closely matches the resistance created by the band. So, two different ways you can use resistance bands with your body weight only exercises.